Are you interested in growing strawberry at your home? Today in this video, I am going to demonstrate you a simple way how you can start strawberry plants at your home and grow strawberry organically. Hello friends, welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, this is my grow bag setup which is in my urban net house, and today I am going to plant the strawberry plants into these grow bags for the upcoming season. In this video, I am going to explain you all the details about preparing the grow bags and sowing of the plants so that we can get the good settlement of the plant and get the good harvest. For knowing everything in detail, please stay connected to the video till the end. Let's start this video. So friends, these are the grow bags where we are going to grow the strawberry, and these are grow bags around 1 feet wide in a diameter and 10 inch into the height. Now strawberry roots are not going much deep. They require 6 to 8 inch of the space into the growing area. And here we have selected 10 inch, which is good enough for growing the strawberry plant. You can also select the pot or the grow bag of at least 10 inch to 12 inch. That is good enough for the strawberry. So this is about the selection of the plant. Now we are going to run this with the dripper and the drip. Now first, after removing all the remains of the last crop, we must amend the soil so that our strawberry plants grows well into the next season. For that, what we have done, we have prepared a mixture with the soil, cow dung manure, and add some of the neem cake and the castor cake, which is good for the nourishment of the plant. So first we are going to make a mixture of this soil and amend this. So now we are doing amendment of our soil. For that, we have first collected soil from the farm, the good soil we have taken, and on that we have added this cow dung manure. So we have added 3 portions of the soil and 1 portion of the cow dung manure. Now we are adding into it cake. So we have neem cake and the castor cake. So we are adding around 2 to 3 kg of the neem cake in around 20 kg of this soil. So all this once added, we are going to mix it well. This will ensure that every corner of the soil is having this nutrition or the manure. And once we mix it, then it will become ready for putting it in our grow bags. So after mixing, we are going to add this into our grow bags so that it will nourish well and our plant will survive well into the grow bags. We have already prepared this mixture now, and we are going to amend this soil. So what we'll do, we'll add this soil on the top layer of the pot or the grow bag, and we'll ensure that the level is equal to the top level. So now you can see that we have made it to the level to the top of the grow bag. This is very important because the strawberry loves the moist atmosphere, but it will not like any water logging into the area. So what we'll do, we'll keep it on the top. The top level will ensure that no excess water remains into the grow bags, and our strawberry plant will get regular watering from the drip and remain into the moist condition. Once we prepare this grow bags like this, then it is time to sow the plants. Now talking about the plants, here you can see our strawberry plants which we have got it from the nursery to Satara, Maharashtra. Now we have got this plant into this trays. Here it is settled. Now you can also get bare rooted plants and soil. This is specifically where you are the cold climate, you can use the bare rooted plant. We have not got the good success with the bare rooted plant, so we prefer the plant prepared into this trays. Now once we order this plant, we need to keep it for a day or two for settlement of the plant. And before sowing, what we have done, we have watered this plant thoroughly. This will ensure that all the roots are wet enough and the root ball will keep intact while removing from it. Also, the plant will not fall into the stress while transplanting. So once we do this, then about the sowing procedure. Sowing is very simple. We need to tap this tray around so the root ball gets loose enough, and we need to remove this plant from the cavity. So here we have remove this plant. Now I will show you. This plant has lot of root on all around. You can see all the roots are over there. Also you can see the healthy growth and some of the dry leaf also. So what we'll do, we'll remove all this dry leaf because any fungus will start from this area. So we need to avoid any fungus into the plant. So we are going to remove all this dry plant and prepare our plant for the sowing. Once we remove all the thing, then we need to dig a hole exactly to the size of this root ball. This is very important. If we sow little deep, then what will happen? All the soil from the around will come on the plant and cover its crown. Now, whenever the soil covers the crown, there is all the possibility it will get rot or the damage because of the soil deposition. So we must ensure that the strawberry crown always remain on the outside with the open condition. So what we'll do, we'll dig a hole just enough for this root ball and we'll place this plant on this pot. Now here the level of the soil level and the top level of the coco peat from the pro tray must be matching. This is a good condition for the sowing. After that we can cover it from the soil from all the sides. Also we need to press it lightly from the sides only. This will ensure the good contact of the coco peat or the roots with the soil, and then this plant will start taking water from the surrounding soil and start growing. So this is the simple way we can transplant our strawberry plant into our grow bags. This is a very simple care we must take while sowing. Now we have amended the soil with a lot of nutrient like cow dung manure, then castor cake, everything. We must take into consideration whenever we try to grow the strawberry, we must use the organic manure. This will make strawberry roots very healthy. If we use chemical fertilizer and if we use some excess fertilizer, then there is all the possibility that the strawberry root may get the burning. So it is best to grow it organically. Now this is simple procedure. After that we need to water it around so that it will make a good contact and start growing. And we are going to feed this plant with the regular drip. So here we are going to use the arrow dripper. If we are using dripper, the small dripper, then we can run daily 2 hours of the water, that is good enough. But with this dripper, the water discharge rate is very high. So what we'll do, we'll give water only for the 15 minutes per day. And that is good enough for the strawberry growth. If we find that little less of the water, we can increase it to the 20 minutes. After this, we must cover this with the mulch. So we will use initially half to 1 inch of the mulch initially. Once the plant start growing and is set established well, we'll increase little bit of mulch. That will protect our strawberry getting into touch with the soil and getting damaged. With this simple care, we can grow strawberry very easily at our home garden. So friends, how do you like my method of growing strawberry organically? Please write me back into the comment box. And if you are also interested in growing strawberry at your home, then prepare your grow bag or pot like this and call for the plant from the nearby nursery into the trays or the bare root, plant it and take this small care to get the good harvest of the strawberry for the season. And you can enjoy a fresh strawberry at your home. Happy growing!